Callistemon speciosus, the alluring bottlebrush blooms. Hi there, Ferg Vu here. Today, we're diving into the world of a captivating flowering shrub, the Callistemon speciosus, a synonym of Melaleuca glauca, also known as the crimson bottlebrush. This beauty is native to Australia and brings a splash of color to landscapes around the world. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a budding enthusiast, this FAQ will equip you with all the essential knowledge to cultivate this vibrant plant. See more 385 species in genus Melaleuca at monsteraholic.com. What's so special about Callistemon speciosus? The Callistemon speciosus truly lives up to its name, speciosus meaning showy in Latin. The star of the show is undoubtedly its flowers. They erupt in fiery red, cylindrical clusters that resemble a bottlebrush, hence the common name. These blooms aren't just visually stunning, they also attract a variety of pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, adding a touch of life to your garden. But the Callistemon speciosus offers more than just visual appeal. This evergreen shrub boasts narrow, aromatic leaves that release a pleasant, slightly citrusy scent when crushed. Plus, it's a relatively low-maintenance plant, making it perfect for busy gardeners or those new to the world of horticulture. Callistemon speciosus versus other bottlebrushes, highlighting the differences. Callistemon speciosus belongs to the genus Callistemon, a group of plants known collectively as bottlebrushes due to their characteristic flower shape. There are over 30 species in the Callistemon genus, each with its own unique features. Here's a quick comparison of Callistemon speciosus with some of its close relatives. Callistemon viminalis, weeping bottlebrush. This species features cascading branches adorned with crimson flowers, creating a weeping willow-like effect. It can grow taller than Callistemon speciosus, reaching up to 8 meters, 26 feet. Callistemon citrinus, lemon bottlebrush. As the name suggests, this bottlebrush boasts lemon-scented foliage. Its flowers come in shades of yellow, orange, or red, offering a delightful contrast to the green leaves. Callistemon citrinus is generally smaller than Callistemon speciosus, typically reaching heights of 2 to 4 meters, 6 to 13 feet. Callistemon phoeniceus, scarlet bottlebrush. This vibrant bottlebrush produces fiery red flowers that are showier and denser than those of Callistemon speciosus. It also tends to grow taller, reaching up to 5 meters, 16 feet, in height. How to plant and care for Callistemon speciosus? So, you've been won over by the charm of Callistemon speciosus? Here's a guide to planting and caring for this beauty. Sunlight. Callistemon speciosus thrives in full sun exposure. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. This plant prefers well-draining soil. If your garden soil is heavy clay, amend it with sand or perlite to improve drainage. Watering. Water your Callistemon speciosus regularly, especially during the first growing season. Once established, it's moderately drought-tolerant but will appreciate occasional deep watering during dry spells. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer once a year during spring to promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Pruning. Regular pruning isn't strictly necessary, but you can lightly prune your Callistemon speciosus after flowering to maintain its desired shape and encourage bushier growth. Troubleshooting common Callistemon speciosus issues. While Callistemon speciosus is a generally disease-resistant plant, there are a few issues you might encounter. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as white spots on the leaves. Improve air circulation around your plant and use a fungicide specifically labeled for powdery mildew if necessary. Aphids. These tiny sap-sucking insects can infest the new growth. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil spray. Scale. These small, hard-shelled insects can also suck the sap from your Callistemon speciosus. Scrape them off with a horticultural oil spray. By following these tips, you can keep your Callistemon speciosus healthy and thriving for years to come. Bringing the beauty of Callistemon speciosus to your garden. The Callistemon speciosus is a versatile plant that can be incorporated into various garden designs. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Create a focal point. Plant your Callistemon speciosus as a standalone specimen in a well-lit area of your garden, allowing its vibrant blooms to take center stage. Add a splash of color to a border. Incorporate Callistemon speciosus into a mixed border, pairing it with other flowering shrubs like azaleas or hydrangeas for a continuous burst of color throughout the seasons. Create a pollinator haven. Plant several Callistemon speciosus in a sunny spot to attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. Enjoy the fragrance in a patio container. Grow Callistemon speciosus in a large pot on your patio or deck to enjoy its captivating fragrance up close. Conclusion. With its stunning blooms, aromatic foliage, and low-maintenance nature, the Callistemon speciosus is a true garden gem. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a budding enthusiast, this versatile plant is sure to add a touch of beauty and life to your outdoor space. So, grab your gardening tools and get ready to bring the captivating charm of Callistemon speciosus to your garden.